You can expect a lot from the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and seat memory. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.